everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Ulta Mastercard account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Ulta Mastercard is a credit card that can be used at Ulta Beauty and anywhere the Mastercard is accepted. In order to log into your account, open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box, type in www.community.net/ultimaterewardscredit and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to this page from where you can select your credit card. Select the Ultimate Rewards Mastercard option and then click on the sign in button on the next page. In the login area, go ahead and enter your username associated with your Mastercard account and type in the correct password on the next field as well. If you don't remember your username or password, click on the Forgot Username/Password link in order to look for your credential or to reset your password. After filling in both of the text boxes, click the Sign In button in order to log into your Ulta Mastercard online, quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you can manage your account online, pay your bills, and so much more. That is how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.